Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So upgrading to Prime Video Ultra means unlocking ad-free streaming plus premium features, but it's not a separate plan. It's an add-on upgrade to your existing Amazon subscription, okay? So first thing, make sure you have a Prime Video. So you need Amazon Prime membership or a Prime Video subscription. Ultra is added on top of this. So go to subscription settings, like open the website primevideo.com. okay, go to your icon, your picture here, okay, account and settings, go to membership, okay, we have here end membership, set payments method, we have managed wallets, okay, you have many options here. Click membership or subscription. This is where upgrades are managed. After that, select upgrade to Ultra, okay? Look for go ad-free or upgrade to Prime Video Ultra. Click the upgrade option. Ultra replaces the old ad-free plan, okay? So after that, confirm the upgrade to review price, typically around $4.99 a month dollars, like confirm payment. After that, you will be built on top of your base plan. So enjoy Ultra features like after upgrading you get ad-free streaming, 4K streaming up to 5 simultaneous streams, up to 100 downloads, okay? So it's the premium experience, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.